Welcome back. Up now is Forum Daily's crypto and digital asset update with Catherine Murray. Catherine is the host of the Buck Stops Here, and she joins us now to give us her take on the major moves in the evolving world of cryptocurrencies. All yours, Catherine.
Thanks, Nima. Hello, everyone, and welcome to your crypto and digital asset update. I'm Catherine Murray. Well, we have seen Bitcoin rally above 30,000, up by about 2.6% week over week, accounting for 46% of the overall cryptocurrency market, which now stands at $1.2 trillion. But keep in mind, that is down from an all-time high of $2.9 trillion. The move higher follows about 8 weeks of trading lower and is attributed to a better risk-on sentiment following easing COVID restrictions in China. However, this morning we are seeing the market turn down, trading a little bit lower. That, of course, following the U.S. jobs report, which is weighing on the overall broader equity market sentiment. And as we know, correlations have been quite tight between the cryptocurrency world as well as equity markets. As we've been reporting, despite crypto's volatility and declining price performance from the November highs, venture capitalists have continued to pour money into digital currency startups, with Andreessen Horowitz raising a $4.5 billion fund dedicated to the space. Also, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest and 21 Shares are making another attempt to get their Bitcoin exchange traded fund through the SEC. The SEC previously issued a rejection order back in April for the product. Interestingly as well, the Wall Street Journal is noting that cryptocurrency lawsuits are mounting, fueled by investors who allege some coins were hyped up. The FTC has charged Gemini in relation to alleged false or misleading statements of material facts in connection with the self-certification of a Bitcoin futures product. Remember, Gemini founders are Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, who are famous through their dealings with Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg. They're also announcing that they're going to be laying off about 10% of their workforce, according to their blog post, referencing a crypto winter. We're also hearing that Coinbase is extending their hiring pause, again, citing current market conditions. Again, we've seen weeks and weeks of a lot of volatility in the cryptocurrency space and really downward price momentum. Globally, though, we do continue to see many countries looking at use cases for crypto, with Singapore's central bank working with DBS Bank and JP Morgan in a pilot program to explore digital assets and tokenization and decentralized finance. The program is going to be looking at the feasibility of tokenization and the interoperability of networks and how digital assets can be traded across platforms. And India's central bank is engaged in the introduction of a central bank digital currency, with plans to adopt a graduated or graded approach by going through stages of proof of concepts for various use cases. Importantly as well here, crypto banking rules will be coming, we believe. The Basel Committee on Banking Supervision is taking notice of the recent market struggles that we've been seeing, likely referring to the collapse of Terra's USD stablecoin. You could see perhaps rules requiring lenders or banks requiring $1 in capital for each $1 in crypto held. And lastly, interestingly here as well, political donations for and from the crypto space topped $26 million in 2021. The lobbying efforts in DC are actually now outpacing some of the large tech internet giants, as well as the large pharma companies. And just for perspective, the $26 million in donations in 2021 compares to $500,000 in 2020. Nima, I'll leave it there. Back to you.
Thanks for that, Catherine. Lots to consider as always. That was Catherine Murray, host of the Buck Stops Here.